This is a slight variation on the normal distribution that I wanted to show you, just so you can I guess see the difference. So let's look at the wording of this problem, and this is problem number 5, section 6.2. Assume the readings on thermometers are normally distributed between da-da-da and da-da-da, which is like from the other problem. Find the probability that a randomly selected thermometer reads between negative 2.16 and negative 1.37, and draw a sketch of the region. So first they want the sketch, and the key part here is between here, negative 2.16 and negative 1.37. This sketch right here is drawn like the previous problem, where it starts at negative 2.16 and runs off into infinity. Okay, that's not what they want. They want between these two. Over here in part C, or option C, yeah, you're getting between negative 2.16 and negative 1.37, but you're also getting, again, this big blob to the left of negative 2.16 that runs off to infinity. Only B here shows the shaded region between negative 2.16 and negative 1.37. So B is it. As with the other problem, we're going to head on over to distribution land. So second distribution, normal CDF, enter, and we're now filling this thing in. Before, I put in a really small number because I wanted it to run forever and get everything shaded in, and that was the minimum. The minimum in this case is negative 2.16. Negative 2.16. And it runs to this part of the region, which is negative 1.37. So I'll put a comma here. And then we look at this, and it has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. So I fill in the mean, comma, standard deviation of 1, parentheses, enter. 0.069957 da 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 da. Well, how did I get my 0.07 and get a good job? Well, let's look at this. It tells you to round off to 4 decimal places. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I look over here, and there's a 5 and a 7, and I got to go up. Well, that makes this a 0. That makes this a 0, and leaves me rounding this 6 up to a 7. And all I'm left with here is 0.07. which is what I put here. Got my good job, and move on to the rest of life or the next problem, depending on how your day is going. This concludes this video.